Barry's awake.
I gotta go in 5 minutes.
Okay, bye. Barry, you're echoing. Oh my god.
Well, have a good time there, Barry. And hello, everybody who is watching the stream, which is hopefully alive and not
Hi, people.
Oh, it's alive. Hi. And I'll just be doing Roblox today. I'll say hello. And
Do you want to see something really crazy?
I have.
Okay. I thought you were about to post
Yeah.
so much fun to me. I was like,
No. Look at the pictures and look at that I make the same face all the time. All the time.
that's gonna be my new background now.
No,
I'll
delete
pop
it.
that on there for a bit.
Bliss, I already
Teeny
saved
bit.
it. I'm sorry.
Dang it, Morgan.
How would I do a
Oh
face?
my god. Morgan. Oh.
I don't know what kind of game to make.
Hold
What
on.
would be a good idea to make? Anyone? No one. Okay. Hey, Winter's on a chat thingy. All right. Oops. I think I scared everyone. But anywho.
Hello, loved me.
Same.
I was rejected.
So, what kind of
Barry
game
doesn't like me.
should I make today? Because I thought it'd be cool if
Barry,
Barry doesn't like you.
I
Aw.
cut my tongue on my tooth and it hurt.
Ow. I got rejected by Bliss and Clock.
Aw.
I'm gonna go
Hey.
Happy Mod Bliss.
Okay, have fun. I gotta figure out how to. I'm
I'm
sure what
done
kind of game
playing.
mode would be fun. What would be a fun game mode to make?
Barry got off Cree.
Mm.
No, he's still
sorry.
on. He just left.
Ah.
Cause he hates you! Ah!
Oh dear.
If he didn't
Oh.
hate me, I would be so raged.
Why?
Decam 50. Try that one then.
Morgan,
Hmm.
the super,
that
I mean, yeah, super
Uh.
definitely hates us.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Back at it again.
He said sorry, he didn't even deny.
Sorry.
He said sorry, which means
Sorry.
it's true.
So sorry.
No, he says sorry to
Ah,
everything.
no.
When I said I lost my bread, he said
That's a good point.
it's not even his fault I lost bread.
No, but he said sorry instead of denying it, which means it was true. It means
The issue is if it were true,
hates us.
I wouldn't be here like Foe isn't here. Because Foe doesn't
Super
like
loves
kids.
us. What are you talking about? Super
So-
Bo hates us. I'm stabbing my leg with the
Oh,
fork
no,
and
into the
it
ground.
isn't working.
I'm trying to
that?
get food.
Can't stab my leg.
Oh,
Now,
I'm sorry.
Bliss, I got rejected by Barry.
Barry is rude. Don't
No,
listen.
he's not.
What the? You just. Oh, boy.
Oh,
He can be rude.
Bliss,
Someone trying to
Super
fight
said
Bliss.
He hates us.
sounds like a
that's
bad. Because you're all special and
I'm just
important.
over here. It's okay.
I'm amazing.
Yeah.
Mugen.
Morgan,
I'm
Do I have-
gonna go bye.
Okay, I don't have. So I'm gonna turn that on. Boop.
I think I just,
Agree.
Hey, son. Been okay. Lots of planning.
Oh my god, hold on.
YouTuber. Amazing.
Meow meow.
Yeah, I can. Go.
Meow meow.
Okay. Now there's a spawn point. That's all I've designed today.
I'm bleeding. I taste blood.
Look, are you not coming, or I mean, like,
Blood in my mouth. I taste blood.
I have no idea what kind
When
of game I
people
want to
go
make
up
though.
to another server and they say don't come, that makes me more tempted to go.
Ah. Theantron. This is just 3D Island though. Oh,
I won't free.
sorry.
Luke says I should scream.
Oh.
Scream,
Uh.
scream.
That is a thing that happened. Congratulations. 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 Congratulations.
Super is my new favorite.
Sorry.
Why are you saying sorry?
Oh.
Sorry.
Um, yeah, I think 100 is too short.
It's
Let's
only
make
like
it
the first 5 minutes.
5.
Sorry.
Oh, wow. They're counting now? Awesome.
I thought he was gonna say, "Oh, I'm sorry."
Me too. No,
See.
no, poor kitty. Get off.
Yes.
Okay.
It's only 5 minutes in this room, so we're gonna fix
Oh my god.
Sorry.
He just said it again.
Jesus, Lily, calm down. Lily.
Oh, my bad.
Lily, I need to turn you down a little bit. Thanks.
Bliss.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna scream.
Oh my god. You're lucky I'm not wearing headphones, or else that would have been so bad.
Let's go get some headphones.
Oh, actually, I have them.
Okay.
Somewhere.
No, I heard echo.
Ew.
I wrote meow with a potato.
That's normal.
It's because I dipped the potato in ketchup and then I wrote meow on my plate.
Oops,
Uh,
I see.
Bliss.
Let's call this pathing.
Oh, well, Bliss died. We should all have a scream contest.
I can't, my parents are asleep.
Oh,
No,
I bet you that I'm the
too loud.
best at scream.
I've got my earbuds in, but I can't talk with them in, so
Oh,
Why?
plug
apologies.
them back in, you know.
Let's see. No bids.
I'm scratching my wall.
Videos. How'd you get your cat off your homework? That's a good question. Oh, I guess that's one way to do it. Usually I just wave in front of their face a bunch until they want to go away, but that's because I'm not a good person.
Oh my god,
Uh.
Lily, that hurt so much.
Good.
Oh my god. Ow.
I changed my nickname.
To Scree?
No, it's pronounced.
Ah,
Well, my bad.
if I do an array,
Bliss.
What?
In school, all I say is scream.
That's
I
great.
have to attach.
You must be real fun to hang out around.
Yep,
Really?
Address.
that's why I have no friends.
Just Scree.
No, it's only at recess, cause in class I'm just silent.
In class, I'm loud. Aw.
Oh, everyone left me.
There's an is dead. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is go to path A. Make sure it's anchored. Make sure checkpoint A is
Bliss.
anchored.
What? What the? What? Where did that come from? I didn't deserve that.
I think I'm going to do
You're a vacuum.
checkpoint A. Going to
I also-
add a little. I'm gonna add an object.
Go stalk
It's going to
Luca.
be. Let's see. I think it's
Bliss, we
a
need to stalk Luca.
Now we'll just call the part then. And we're gonna go this way. We're gonna toss in a checkpoint A. And I wonder if there's a way to force respawning. 5.
Where you're all over.
Wait, I'm what? Oh, okay. It's gone. Nothing I can do again about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, sorry. Okay.
That was the best moment in history.
Green. Too bright. Oh, how that didn't change the color. Okay, I think that says
Luca.
step on me.
Luca.
Hmm?
Luca, do you have headphones?
No,
Oh,
I never
you will just get like really close. Luca,
I'm gonna get the vibe
just get
function.
really close. Oh, she left. Okay, no, she's back. Luca,
Oh, there's
get
a
close.
separator and a gate. Okay.
Luca, get close to your speaker. I need to tell you something.
Oh. That sure did just happen. Okay. So, here, I'm going to add a code. Actually, I should probably open up save this one. And I'm going to open up a different project. It's now opening... I don't know what it's opening. An entirely different instance of Roblox. Yay! Okay. So, I'm going to go search in here for points per minute. And... okay. Let's see, so it's a get service points service award points to a player and how many. Okay. So okay. So actually I'm just gonna can I copy this? I sure can. And I'm gonna see if I can paste. I can't paste. Can I paste now? Paste into points per minute. Okay. So actually that's 30 seconds. So we'll say for every minute you'll get 1 point. Oh yeah, that'll tell it tells how you get points. Okay. Okay. That sounds like people screaming. Oh. Because okay. I'll just rename this so we know what it is. It's supposed to be a spawn location. Sometime add a function. So add a script will tell people should spawn and then spawn them there. And yeah, that should be for, you know, making checkpoints and such. And now I'm gonna add a it's going to rename finish location, and then I'll add a script to that. Insert object and script. I should add some music. It's because Undertale Ost. One of these should be it's this one. That is a death song. But this one. Much better. Okay. Might make me cry. But anyway, yeah, okay, we're gonna rename this as return to start. Then the next thing I should check, I'm gonna do it in Mozilla this time. So I can keep this here for the chat. Really no computer science. I know a little bit. I know what's needed for my degree. But I need to do is Roblox, and I need to search spawn player. See if I can look that up in the API, huh? Okay. Load character. Sounds more like a load function than it does Okay. So then should be used in a script to work as expected online. If in-game is true. Okay. Okay. Script turns off auto-loading and simulates character respawning. Okay. So you could probably make like something that functions as a, timer to start next waves or something. Okay, that's cool. Here. I could probably... Okay, let's see. I remember this some time. It's a load character, part of class player. So... Here, I need to test this first. I'm gonna jump back to the spawn area. And we're gonna go here. And then we're gonna go drop. We're dropping on a nice block. We'll just have it hang out over here. Make it kind of long. And we will listen to fun times. And then add a script to that. It's usually easier just to do a lot of things in scripts anyway. So what I will do in this script, I'll rename it test reset. So I think I learned something earlier. I was okay. First, we need to find out what touched it. So we're gonna have like while true do. There'll be an end there. We'll do a wait so it doesn't cause the game to freeze. Do it like every half second. It's really good for waiting times. At least if you're trying to do something that doesn't need to be checked like every frame. Let's see what I should do next. Add. Need to add something else. Maybe figure out Roblox touched function. Maybe this will help. Base part touched. Okay. Okay, for base part, fired when another object comes into contact with this object. Oh wait, this is a function I don't need this in a loop. Let's see. Not fair. See framed through something. Objects have scripts that remove a part as soon as it hits something. Be nil. Scripts that use the touch button should check for this. Breaks they trying to use members of other parents. Okay. Check for nils. So I should check and see what exactly. That's the wrong one. I could probably close this. Didn't actually change anything. So let's see. Yeah, okay. So script parent. Script parent touched what's touched do? If another object comes in contact with this object. So let's check and see if this will just print. Okay. Print. I need the thing though. If I print connect. What is the connect that's what's throwing me. Connect Roblox. Function. Maybe that'll help. Should double check. Everyone's saying. That's fine. Teach their own. I think this is. I don't know how to. I don't know what that is considered. What is this thing considered? I don't know how to tell what that thing is. Just likes to do that. Okay, so I'm going to assume whatever connected does, whatever it does, I'm gonna throw it hard, throw it against a wall. Actually just connect, not connected. And that'll allow me to actually figure out what's going on. Wait a minute, so I don't print that. So, okay. It's always thrown whenever it comes into contact with something. So, that should mean we're gonna connect, print other part. Okay. Print other part, because that's a function of touched, and that should work. Oh, but it needs a function inside of it. Yeah, that's interesting. Can't just throw its own. Okay, function, their part,
List.
and then
List.
Bliss, I literally joined general just so you can listen to us, just because you like, just.
let's see,
Lily, did you want something?
function.
Yes. Bliss,
What?
wanna know what my new favorite word is?
What? Is it scree? I'm done.
That's how you end that function. Let's see if this will run. And also, I should probably make the parts anchored, otherwise they will start flying into space. Okay. Let's test this out. See what scripts explode on us. Shall we? Sorry. It's been focused here. Hello world. So on the functions is So that does that. Let's jump back to this and test the script. Yeah. Now we know the other part. Let's test what this does. Okay. It'll always throw player 1. Okay. So now that we got player 1. Okay. Okay, so it'll always throw player 1. It won't throw nil, I don't think. Okay. So we're gonna have a variable somewhere called player touched equals nil. I think that should work, at least for now. I don't remember how to do functions. See what the points per minute. It says local. Okay. Let's call it local. That's that's a weird thing to call it. Collision equals nil. Okay. Toilet emoji. Okay. Okay. What we're going to do is have player collision. Okay, if player collision is equal to, is that how I check for if statements? gonna double check Lua's if statements. Lua if statement. Okay, if then else. It does double equal. Okay, good to know. Equals. Type of. Like a type of. Can I call it type of? Like type of. Oh. What is. If I do a print and then I do other part type. If I typify other part. Let's try typifying it. Let's do a run of that. I sure bet you did. On line 7. Ugh. Let's see if I can find back to function of player.
I know. I was supposed to bring it up. Sorry.
Class. How do I tell if I'm okay? Ugh. Class name. That's how I'll do it. Class name. Find. If I do class name equals okay. Other part class name equal to player. I think that should work. Let's see what class name does. What does is a do? Oh, that's interesting. Is a that's how we call functions. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. That's fine. I'll try my best to be okay with it. Okay, let's see if I can hop back here. Other part, parent, is a. Where do I throw? Where do I throw? Let's see. Is a. Player maybe? Does it have to be capitalized? Yeah, probably kind of does.
We can go throughout the
Player. Capitalized. Okay, sorry. This is what coding's like. No idea if
So we have to be careful we don't let it
anyone
can out.
is thinking to add like. Oh, check the chat there too in case anyone decides. So I'll print that. I'll see if this function works. False. Name. Let me guess, that's too many semi-parentheses, isn't it? Yep, it was too many parentheses. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Model. I wonder if I wonder if I can get the player object if I do it twice. Parent. And let's double check that. Now it just says workspace. Oh, that involves a new thing. Get player from model. Roblox, not any other game engine. As that doesn't help. Model. How to detect player from collision. Roblox. That might help. No player collision. Click detector. Good help there. See if I can. What the parent is. This character. Tell what a. Well, if it's touched, we can check and see. The closest player, okay. Yeah, I could do that. How's everybody doing? Well, it's not a necessity. So what I can do is within this function, so you have other part. Actually, can I get its position? Position. Anyway, I can get script parent position. Guess I would like. I'll play that again, and then I'll tell its exact position, which means I think I can go here. Okay, I have another script somewhere. It was in the other one that I made. Hello, someone who shouted. How are you doing? Probably turn down the music. It's a bit loud. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the other things I was working on earlier today. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this or Photoshop today. So I'm going to try and test that if it gets collided, if there's another player, and if it's a certain distance away. Otherwise, I'll keep it at nil. So, okay, let's see. If player collision is not equal to nil, then there's a little end statement there for it. That'll be able to tell us, you know, if a player has tripped collisions, then do this. Then warp them back. It's an exclamation point for some reason. And I don't have the chat up. Ah, yeah. Good luck. That sounds terrible. At lava pits or places involving wild animals. Ooh, that sounds fun. Good question. I'm not sure if I know that much. Here. Wild animals. I bet. I'll take a bit of coding, but I'll do that show. Let's begin. See if I can snap. I should probably delete this one first. Actually, why not just duplicate this one and have it go under it, and then okay. Where is cancel? Yes, I'd like to save this, but yeah, I'm selecting that, right? Yeah, why is this show no scale handles? I guess I won't use scale handles for that yet. Smooth that. Nope, not under that. But delete that for now. Oh, that's why. I was selecting something that couldn't be selected. Okay. So we'll just make this wide enough. Make its color red at least, but that's more of a lobby color. But I'm pretty sure there's a better way to go about this. Whoa, no thanks. What do you bet? I could just... I was thinking I could do it with smoke and mirrors. Here, let's try to add... That's wide enough for everything first. And then squeegee... Jeez, I forget you can't quite select things if they're in groups. Well, that's fine. Follow the system, but that's okay. So, I'm going to open up Photoshop. I'm actually going to save this first in case it explodes. Also, before that explodes, I'm going to make sure I grab this little thing here. No, not quite. This little thing here. We're gonna grab a list of players because I will need that later. When I'm practicing this here, code for an array of players, and I'll just pop that in there. I can work that out later. Do some sort of like scanning through, finding distances, figuring out all, you know, fun stuff to do that I also just learned recently. So that's always fun. Name this to call this bridge, and I'll rename this to lava 01 because. So let's check that again. Not there. Oh yeah. Ah, thanks. And I bet I could do like a couple things, but I'd have to work on the AI there a bit, and I don't think I've done that before. But what I want to do is figure out making textures Roblox. 'Cause I think that's what's gonna AP class texture. Texture object places a texture. That did scare me. Apologize. It is set to. We're showing you a decal, but instead of scaling the image to fit the brick, or repeat to fit the brick side. So you can create textures. Okay, can I just like I click this and I click insert object and I look for like texture. Oh yeah, okay. We got this. So first of all, let's open up Photoshop here, shall we? Sorry I don't have a pens. You know. Sometimes you get stuck with some stuff. Let's go with 64 by 64. I love pixel art, and it's what I can do with a mouse. I know I can do it with a mouse. Okay. That's fun. Oh my gosh. You want a good starter lava? Let's actually get reference photo of lava first. Lava. And then we'll get some images. And we'll get some nice images of what textured lava looks like.
Super.
Oh yes, what's up?
Super.
Yeah?
Oh no, I can't hear you if you're talking.
Okay, I forget. Oh.
Ow!
Wait. How is it? Okay. Okay. Let's see, what I want to do next is switch to here, fill this in with a sort of orangey yellow, and then swap to here, just a sort of burnt brown red, and just accidentally paint all over the place with this burnt brown red. Okay, that's not really saturated for my tastes. Let's go with that. Yeah, that's a nice burnt brown red. Okay, now that I've messed around enough, just yeah, you're right. If I'm gonna make a nice pixel art piece, let's go ahead and just let's actually not do that. Let's look at this reference photo, and actually there's a lot more of that than there's that. So what we need to do is make some looping textures. So say So a little more like that. And say something like that. Let's say this is the basis. This is like painting 101. So this is the start of it. So what you do next is you grab this color. You can do it two ways, but I'm going to do it a different way because I don't have a lot of good colors to work with right now. So I'm just going to get a color I think is a nice color. Select all the color I want to edit, and then just go about making some little extra color changes to it. I like that, so I can get some nice. Actually, kind of want to go a little like that. Actually, let's just go a little more like that. Okay, cool, and more like that, I guess. We add a little extra thing right here. Oops, I messed up a little bit. But let's look at that reference photo again. Okay, and let's choose another darkish red color and add that in a similar way that I just added all that other color, but this time for the darker color than the lighter color. See? Now you're thinking with portals. And okay, so boop. Let's make it go a little bit more like that.
Scree.
Okay. The next one goes this way. And you make it a little bit darker. Then add a little less of it. Might help if I have a smaller brush. And then you start just doing in-betweens more and more to get a nice gradient of everything. Okay. Then sometimes you can use transparency to help yourself, you know. But I like eyeballing it. Just because that's what I like to do a lot. Okay. Actually, this would be a good time to use transparency. Let's add some 50 opacity here first. And then grab that. Set the opacity to 100. I did that real quick because I know some shortcuts. Whee! And then just novelty our way the other direction. And then a little more like that. And then try and get a little extra right down there. And then go a little more like that. Okay. And then probably I need to add a little extra in there. So then it's getting a little bit better there. But I wanted to do a little bit more. This
Hey,
cut.
Super,
Oh,
guess what?
let's make the a little lower. What's up?
I put you in my featured channels.
Aw, thank you. It's
Yep.
cool. Yeah. Should work on that someday. Figure out what my overreach and goal is, and then try my best for it. Just a little extra. Blend in some colors. Okay, so what I'm gonna do too is have like a 30 here. I'm gonna grab this color here. And then set that back to 100 to start adding it all over the place. So we'll make enough color gradation to do the job. Okay, not just yet. Hopefully I can do this without the computer crashing. Yeah, and I'll do it for this part. So I'm gonna grab this color here. Actually, first I'm gonna grab this color here, do this here, have it set to 50 while I'll do the first pass, and then grab it, reset to 100, and then just fill it over the second pass. How's it going? I got one more color to do. Do a little 50% here. Yeah, 30. And then we'll pick it up. Why don't we make it a bit smaller? Set it to 100. And then just paint our way all along here. And we'll go down this way. Didn't actually expect to be doing some Photoshop in here. Well, that's always fun. The other segments I wanted to do. Someone reminded me about doing TF2 sprays. It's always fun. Just because it's more understanding what the rule set is, and then just having fun from there. Always loved that. That's why I like school so much, I think. Also, I didn't get bullied in it at all, so that probably shades. That's a bias. Yeah, we'll just. It's a bias I have. So there we have it. There's something that looks like it might pass for lava at some point. You know what? I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's change up some of the values. Is that what I'm gonna do? Yeah, let's. Okay, that must be it. Let's try and to make a very quick and easy flashy palette there. But let's. Can I make a second one of these? No, I can't. So I'm gonna delete that one. I'm gonna change to curves just because probably do what I'm trying to do a little easier. Curves. More like that, I think. It's a little bit more realistic. You know what I'll say about both of them? What I usually like doing is blowing it up like 200, 400. I'm gonna blow up 400 today. I don't think pixels are gonna spread that far. Let's be honest. The pixels. So here, let's say about this one. Toss it on the desktop for now and just say lava A, and then I'll turn it off. Save this one out, 400%, and save it as lava B. And okay, so now that we have move health, Roblox. There's also a tutorial. Remove health bar. Edit health. Maybe. God mode exploit. Infinite health script. Why not that? Let's pretend we're gonna. Nope, that's a YouTube video. Don't much care for those. Making a health pickup. Okay. Okay. Humanoid health. Okay. Other part parent. So they make the character here first. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. That'll be fun to read over. But now the first thing I can do, Here, I'm gonna try something out. Yeah, so set our object texture. The issue is texture isn't gonna bring up anything unless I publish this. So yeah. Oh, let's just check what everyone's saying. That's good for me. Cursed with long eyelashes and they keep getting in my eyes. Oh, much better. I'm gonna create a new place. We're just gonna call this a test place. I'll work out the name and such later. So, we're gonna call it what should we call the game? Description. Go in direction. And when you end, you get the thing, which is points. Yay, points! I don't know. I'm not coming up too witty with names and such. Here, we'll just call it, the Gauntlet of Super Sicivia. That's okay. That's what we'll call it. We have no idea of a thumbnail right now, and here, clearly, maximum player count doesn't matter to me, and the price. I don't have. Say a 5. Minimum price is 10. Okay. That's interesting. Remind me to do that in the future. But anywho, gear type. Navigation. An explosive. I don't know what that does, but whatever. Chat type, the both. I have no idea what any of these things mean. Genre. Let's say, is that platforming? During town and cities. It's naval, military, medieval, horror. S. Let's call it adventure. Which probably means I don't know what those do. But I don't have any yet. So, just create the place then. Oh hey, yellow exploits. Function touched. Okay. Dankeschön, nada, Dankeschön. Okay, now that I've done that, I can add an asset, I think. Okay, add image. I'm gonna choose the file, and it's gonna be on my desktop, and it's gonna be... I'm gonna go with Lava B first, to see how that one goes. Create. Oh my gosh, that's nightmarish. 4 maybe? Oh! That's what I need. Let's make it 16 by 16. That seam is very obvious, isn't it? Not like... I probably should have tested that out a bit and roughed out the edges. Okay. Yeah. But hey, that's for another day. Expecting to have to do texturing so quickly. Yeah, okay, so that is slightly convincing, very slightly convincing lava, just on the slight side. It more looks like waves of acid rain, which I guess also does it. But here's the thing, it doesn't here, I'm gonna copy this one and paste it. Oh, okay, you can go up there. Go ahead and go up there. There's a paste in too, isn't there? But yeah, so add that test reset, and we're gonna add like velocity, and we're gonna add like 200. Okay, and now I'm gonna save. I'm gonna test this out. And there's a chance that 0 to 3 okay. Okay, so I'll go lava, and we'll just extend that out of the way over there. Boop. And then... not that one. Okay, yeah, I thought I missed a few. Blots. Lava. Meet. Edge. Okay, I thought for a second it was gonna give me... okay. So far... okay, that is anchored. Has a texture. And detects for that, so... what does the code do? The code first asks for, gonna just get rid of that. Apparently code on here that'll give me, so, gonna copy this, like lazy people, Because why not just do what's easier and then worry about touching it up later? Then, okay. So that'll be character. Character to find the first thing humanoid. And then, if humanoid. I guess that's if it's not nil, then okay. Should make sure this parent, if humanoid, then, another end statement here. Lua always gives me wonders to behold. More comments below, okay. Oh, cool. I can only shine. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna go back here. And we're gonna add this here. And do some math with it because I don't feel like adding all the extra variables, even though that's really good for readability. I'm a digital artist, not a. I'm a doctor, Jim, not a miracle worker. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, so I'm gonna have his current health. It's going to equal current health minus. Wait, hold on a second. I don't even know how much current health is. Let's do a print current health. See what comes up. Let's find that out. So health is normally set to 100. Okay. Okay, let's see. Then I'll have. We'll just comment that out for now, and say that current health equal to. I think there's one more variable after. No, isn't there? No, it just references itself again. So let's say 20. So there's a good chance you'll lose half to a fifth of your health. So that's points per minute. I don't need to save that for now. Actually, no, I could too. I could just say humanoid health is going to equal to humanoid dot health minus 20. I usually use semicolons and things. And if I hit play here, I can go jump in lava right now. I'll act like Mario lava. And now I am pieces in the air. Though, I think it's more this one. This one's been bothering me a bit. I think it's the fact that the velocity's kinda a lot. Save that up and run it again. Okay. Is there health regen? How's their health regen? I'm trying to figure out how to health Roblox. Forgot what you call that thing. It's like a wikia. It's not quite like a wikia. Health is a property. Okay. This is a wiki. This isn't the wiki for that's Lua, and this is wiki.roblox.com. API. Okay, that's how I do it. Okay, so I say Roblox Health API. That's what I want to find out. Class humanoid. Health. Why do I keep getting... Maybe someone will search this. Let's search, health creating Roblox. Normally in games you don't expect health regen to... Okay, that's not what I was asking for. Why is health regeneration a feature? That's probably only going to debate health regeneration instead of telling me exactly what I'm doing wrong. Okay, we'll toss that in there too. We'll see what everybody has to say. Health regen, which is a pickup. Just script it. Okay. That's just... That's free though. The get button does, that worries me. How'll that work? To code health regen. Roblox. See if that works. I'll watch if I go here, maybe someone smarter than me. Chat, hands up. Health regen. Nope, that is that thing again. Keep you in mind. So that's the same thing there. Okay. 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 How to disable general blocks. The health regen. Script called health. Just says disable health regen script and character. I don't know how to search through characters. Now there's like start a player practice, start a player script, start a player scripts. Display distance. Hello. I heard someone say hi. No idea, but okay. So I'm gonna rename this to take damage, and we'll say that you take 30. That way. Which one did they say it was in? Delete health regen script and character. But whew, man. I gotta figure this out. How to disable the game interface. Third GUI has a function set in it. Health. Just turns off the health bar. Okay, that's how you turn off GUI stuff. Okay. Starter character tricks. Sounds like a stopgap. Name it. Feel like that's just gonna make health not a thing. No, it's okay. 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 Worked a lot better. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's done. We made lava. I think, unless you want like flowing lava, it's gonna get technical. Probably more technical than I know how to do. But anyway, it involves transparencies. Who knows? But anywho, I think someone said have a hopping animal. So while I'm doing that, here I'm gonna scroll up here. I'm gonna add something called path B for reasons. So I'm gonna create a part here and model. It's not like a nice defaultish color, and make it about 5 across. We'll slide it over here, hop it down. Okay, it really needs to be 10 across. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll scale it out just a bit. Let's see how far it is so far. 50 is a good number. Okay. Anchor that there. I'm gonna group that into a path B. Just call it B. We'll start using alphabetical. Then we'll go to numbers, and then I guess when we're out of numbers, we just go AA. Okay, let's see. It's going to need to add another part here of a different color. Ah, there's materials too. Oh. Add another part. And
Uncle George says to go
Grace.
to his house, and here are the keys to it.
So textured.
If he's
Anyway.
gone,
Okay, so
the keys to it are
scroll that over there.
they're not on the
A little
keychain 'cause they're
green pasture for no apparent reason for now. And that a little bit more. A little more than that. What is its current width? 60? Yeah, 60 will do. Center origin. And then stretch it all this way. I think that should do okay for now. Okay. I'll name this, well, actually, call this part, toss this in here. Say it is a, what's it called, a bridge. And we'll rename this part and call it, grassy plain for no apparent reason. And then I'm gonna create a new model. Okay. Have it be part like this. Gonna name metal. Gonna make it have smooth. Okay. So the color should change to a little milky. Okay. I'm gonna duplicate this. Yeah. Actually, let's get these into the position first.
No.
And then go right like that. And yeah, okay. We're gonna make it 0.5. And then give them a little extra space. Looks like a really creepy bunny. Booshki. Creepy box bunny. Why aren't you a sphere? Probably because these will need welds, won't they? Okay. Okay, cancel save. Okay. Let's add a surface, add some welds, and hopefully that should work. Gonna actually what I could do, just toss these underneath there. Okay, cool. Gonna toss that here, and we're gonna call it a very simple rename Box Bunny. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go to Mr. Box Bunny there. We can go up a little higher. Let's actually make it 1 stud instead of 0.5. There's supposed to be like a body mover somewhere. I'll look up stuff later. Just get rid of everything else except a nice search function, and look up move body Roblox body mover. Okay. Not quite what I was thinking of. I had something earlier. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to build something that'll at least be interesting for now. Here there's like where you can... Here there's like GUI music. But, someone asked me that they wanted me to make a animal. Gonna add script. Call the script name bunny move, and namely decide bunny should move. Also, if in a radius near a player, move bunny away, which means I'm gonna need a function once again. Let's get rid of that one. Reopen this one again. See if I can grab that function. School, I will remember you. Let's see what we can find next. So the other one should have opened by now, and I should be able to find... I want to add this to the workspace because outside, right there, Temple Mountain. Okay, Hillcrest Torch, and this fire has a little script here, which has a search for a while search. Yes, what's up? Okay, no problem with it leaking though, right? Are you gonna flood the basement or anything? Okay. Okay. Thanks for that. Okay. Actually, trying to figure out the script. So we're gonna add a nice little function here. Gonna grab this function here, I believe, and we're gonna pop it into the other one. For bunny move. While true, do debug. Do, and there we are. We'll wait. 0.5. And okay. So every time I'll check what the players in the game are. And while it's not equal to nil, I'll have the character torso position from the parent's position and the magnitude. I'll call this one bunny scared. So bunny scared is true. It's true. Okay. So one thing we're going to do, also going to have bunny hop. It's going to go false. It's a good point to initialize all your variables at the very top for a function. Or for a script. Anyway, okay, so there should be a random function in Roblox somewhere. I don't actually need you right now, do I? Random function Roblox. Random numbers, the Roblox wiki. There's a random number generator. Let's generate random numbers. So here, we'll just toss that in there. To random stuff, you know. It's always good to have random be, well, random. Okay, let's see, math random, 1 to 100, okay. Okay, so I got this little function here. Okay. Something else here. Between 0 and 1. Turn out as whole numbers. Okay. So yeah, okay, so I should be able to go back here, and if, say, is going to equal to, oh sorry, it's like greater, okay, let's actually have a variable here. So we're just gonna say, local blah is equal to that. Okay, so we're gonna have local blah, we're gonna say blah is going to equal to math random. And if blah is less than 99, sorry, is greater than 98, then end. Oh, they always add ends. I forget about that. Okay. Check to see if a player is too close. Check to see if you should randomly. Anyway. If let's see, bunny scared is false, then, and then we'll add a nice end here to have everything over. And okay, bunny hop is equal to true. Okay, if bunny scared or bunny, that doesn't tell me that. Doesn't understand what a or, that the or is different than, oh my gosh, or statement Lua. How do I I hope that's an or. I hope it doesn't crash and then I have to figure out what the or function is. But I can use or, can't I? I can just use or. Whatever, okay. Bunny scared or bunny hop. Then, if bunny scared, then else. So if it's not bunny scared, then it's bunny hop. So first we're gonna try and figure out how do I do this? Oh yeah, I remember how I just found that. Okay. Teleport player on Roblox. Okay. Teleportation Roblox wiki. Move to can be used in place of setting. Okay. Okay. Target plus vector new. Oh, interesting. Fading effects, loops to set the transparency for limbs. Not quite what I was hoping. Maybe there's a vector new. Use a vector 3. Okay. So sorry, I'm just thinking a bit hard here. Oh yeah, it is, but there's just something fun about doing programming. Also, I like doing work too, so that's one thing I've been meaning to do. Parts, at least do something, productive, right? Trying to add vector 3, adding Roblox. Roblox wiki, okay. New vision, X, Y, and Z. Those are constructors. From axis, so you need the X, Y, and Z position. Properties, here we are. Vector 3.x. So you can add the X, Y, and Z. So see if I can search for. Okay. Okay. What if I do that? Okay, I think I'm doing here. Okay, so we're going to can you drill it? We can use a vector 2 for that. Okay. Magnitude's gonna be a number. Huh. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get player so it knows which direction away is from it. Otherwise, I just need to choose a random direction. If I stick to a grid though, which is what I was going to do initially anyway. Let's say, let's just comment all this out for now. And just say, for now, do what the else statement is for. Which is going to have, local dir x and local dir y, local dir z. Like going to equal to, let's say 20. Dir x is going to equal to, random 1, comma 10. Okay, we're gonna have 10, and then minus 5, and then random 10 minus 5. So what'll happen is, we're also going to add another local called local inc jump. It's going to equal to let's say 0. And while inc jump less than, let's say 20. Let's say one other local I'm going to add. Local ink speed is going to equal to 1, so maybe it'll jump faster. Do, and so ink jump, wait, well, so then, yeah, 10, okay, ink jump plus, equals ink jump plus ink speed. So it'll always increment by 1 at least, according to this run, which I have all these semicolons. You don't need semicolons, but I love semicolons. They are happy making. Oh, jeez. Drawing is fun, though. I wish I was good at drawing. But anywho, okay, so we have... So what's going to happen is, I'm going to have script parent position going to equal script parent position. That's not how you move teleport things. And then we're going to add a weight 0.1. Okay, let's see. Teleportation. It'd be easier if I just added a force and a direction, but I don't know how to do that right now. So, okay. Okay. I'm gonna look up parts. What a position is considered. Position. Can I just search this? I want to search. Okay, that is a search. I thought it was login. Position. Position, a vector 3. Okay. So most situations it's a vector 3. Except if it's a GUI, then it's a UDIM 2. Okay, cool. So I should... okay. Where's teleportation? Teleport... Player Roblox. Okay. Teleportation. Okay. Correctly teleport player without killing them. Must use the C-frame property. C-frame data type instead. Which is going to be... What is the data type? So it has an X. See, look vector, right vector. Okay. So, what I'm gonna have to do is... Okay, I have to hit back a couple times and open this up in a new tab. Okay. So I have to say that the object and its C-frame have to equal a new C-frame, which is considered, okay, C-frame is going to equal to the parent position plus vector3.new. We're going to add dir x, dir y, dir z. Let's have this be actually just have it a quarter of a second. Okay. Actually have this be about 90. Okay. So okay, wait a minute. It'll be a new... We have vector frame. Okay, so C frame new. I'll have to encapsulate all that. Oh, that's encapsulated. I'll need to take. Okay, that's actually really going to be a really big jump. Let's say 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So if you either 0, 1, or 2, so that means negative 1 or 1. Okay. I'm going to say dir y going to minus equal, it's going to equal dir y minus ink speed. And that's a lot of changes. Then just wait for it to end. See what happens. What explodes? Random. A nil value. Okay. Stop this for a second. And okay. Something blew up. Okay. That's because that's not the correct function, is it? It's math under dot random. Okay. So you have to do math dot. Math dot. Okay. See what happens now. Oh! Here, I'm just gonna I'm gonna go to funny move and okay, so I'm gonna do print. It's really weird post print script parent position, and then oh, that was something that happened. It's usually times it jumps. I think I made the jump too high. Actually, watch this happen. Eventually. Wow, it did not like that at all.
Okay.
You know what I probably should have did? 12. Okay.
So I can set my alarm.
So I can have physics happen. So let's see what'll happen. Make it at least attempt this jump. Except I think I need more fractions in here. Okay. That's going nicely. Okay. Let's go back to the bunny move. We can add better functions later. Okay. Okay, so what I'm also going to add is I'm going to have 4 minus 2, divide that by 2. Actually, I'm going to divide by 4. For nuance, and it'll top less. I'll have that be 5, and 0.5. Let's be like 6. So there are a bunch of okay. Remember, local length of jump is going to equal like, let's say 5. So now I can start adding this length of jump to all of these. So it makes an actual, function out of this instead of, so I can stop changing the numbers. Length of jump. Length of jump divided by 10. Let's see, jump, actually let's just make that 0.0, 5, that would be 20, yeah, that's fine enough. Length of jump plus 1, actually let's make it length of jump divided by 2. And we'll do a little bit of the end curve, but then let gravity take over at the end. Jump is going to equal 0. Ink jump plus ink speed. Okay. Okay, this should cause absolutely nothing to change. And I blew it up by having something happen on line 43. Okay, what happened on line 43? Expected a second semicolon. Okay. Let's try running that again. Nope, it is still seeing a unexpected semicolon, so I probably didn't add something. Okay. So length of jump 2. So it's the math random function. It's all getting divided by length of jump. Okay, let me if I just get rid of this extra semicolons here and there. So I can actually read what's going on. And that will explain why there was all these wrong semicolons? Nope. Let's jump back in there. Okay. So the function random, because there's just an extra semicolon there for no reason. Huh. So, yeah, okay. Man, I'm bad at this. I'm sorry. Pre-adds his known mesh. Okay, what adds challenge to the game? Hot liquid magma. It's a mesh? It's a mesh in Roblox. Roblox mesh. Which is a 3D object. I bet it's 3D modeling, isn't it? Special mesh. I need to learn 3D modeling again. Change the appearance of a brick. Okay. Yeah. Should learn that someday. I know a lot of Maya, but I don't know a whole bunch of, like, you know. Oh, hi, AB HD. How you doing? I'm just doing expected a semicolon near do. Doing programming. Actually, what I'm going to do here is move this to a position where I can work with it a bit better. Doesn't just jump off the path instantly. So, okay. Oh, there's an extra semicolon there. See if there's any other semicolons I forgot. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Maybe that's a bunny. And it's sure just gonna hop off a cliff. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I think it's part of bunny move. Since it's less than or Scared is equal to true. Okay. Expect it would jump around in different directions though. Hello. It's fun to chat along. Let's see. It'll hop a bit while I watch it. Okay. Okay. It is still choosing the same direction though. I feel like it should mix that up. That is the wrong game. Mix it up. It's a 2. So let's have it be 0.3. Supposed to loop through that. And let's get rid of that for now. So okay, so I'm gonna go print. Let's see. Dir x. What's it all in? Dir x. So try this again. Okay. 0.4. And it's not changing it at all. That's an issue. So why? It's part of an if-then loop that re-echoes itself. Does it not change directs? What if I take out all these locals? Well, that'll make it weird for some reason. Although that isn't causing anything else to mess up. It's only locking in just to 0.4. Okay. And it's 0.4 again. So it's still the wrong one. I need to save that. I need to save this one and figure out why this is being so lazy. Because I asked Math Random at the start up here to do I bet it's because I don't ask for it right here. I only ask for it once. That would make sense. It would give the same values, but it wouldn't give the same number. It would give 0.4 every time. I'm messing up something here. See if... cool. Just talking to y'all too. Gotta figure out, I'm not doing this right. Okay. Why is this coming up with the same script? This is supposed to be random. Length of jump. Random numbers. Don't see it anywhere. So let's say if I say negative length of jump, comma, length of jump, and instead use that as what I mean to do. See what happens now. That's just 0.2. Just not supposed to. I don't know why this isn't working right. It's blah do. Okay. It's a weird thing too, because in this script, I'm doing fly is going to be at a random. Here, let's. Man, I hate how Lua does this. Multiple things in one line, Lua. Print function Lua. Let's try that one. Print function. Print. Print has a comma? Okay, so I'm gonna try, and at the very end of all this, print okay.
Yeah, which is not a nice drive and long wait.
Print x. Print. It's the other thing I need to print right now. Blah. Here. Let's try running this again. Figure out if I can figure out why this isn't going in a random direction. Now it is. Well, it's gone. It's always fun. Okay. So, let's see where it's at. Oh, sorry. Jeez, my face is in a weird location. Apologies. I don't know. I'm currently just trying to build a bunny. Which means, here. Yeah, okay. Can get rid of all these. And this. For some reason it's just working now. Okay. Doesn't matter, but okay, so let's go to grassy plain and we could go out a little bit farther. Go to the bridge. Make some nice stairs, I think. So we're gonna go down that way. Then stretch out. And just keep doing that. So that's the bridge. Group this and rename it to stairs. Just duplicate it a few more times. I think that'll work. Figure out where all these bridges go to. Whoa. No thank you, buddy. Okay, so some nice stairs here. Okay. Almost there. Here we're gonna go to model, surface, smooth outline. Seems like everything here is the same model when it really isn't. Physics. No gradation. Really interesting engine here. But anywho, gonna finish up making all the edges. Okay. And then we're going to move grassy plain down. Make sure it's snug. Right. There we are. And Box Bunny can come down too. There could be a few more Box Bunnies. Frolicking as they feel. And choose. And believe. And then I'm gonna cage him in with giant walls. I don't know why this is here right now. It'll be here for reasons. Okay. I finally made a bunch of weird let's see, grass. Make that sort of weird green color. I think it was a darker green color. Oh geez. Studs. I don't think it was that dark. Maybe it was this color. My gosh, I just keep making things worse. That color, okay. That'll be the closest I'll get for now. So we're gonna rotate that 50 degrees.
Roller.
Hey, welcome back. Leave.
Roller.
And I'm gonna stretch that out. Stretch this out. And then pull it up a bunch. And then back a bunch. There. That probably won't keep them out, but I'm gonna do a good job trying. So then we'll just put that on the other side. And then duplicate that. Go down there. And then rotate it 90 degrees. Maybe up one. Okay. Chance this wasn't exactly lined up. Yeah, I don't think it's exactly lined up on the side. Put 0.5, comma. Nope, that is not gonna work. But maybe that will. Okay. Boop. And then whoop. And then we'll just go to the end of the field. And then go like that. Okay. And grab grassy plain. Now let's let that go out there for now. Oh, hey there, buddy. You do not seem to be in the right position. There you are. Cool. Alright. Which kind of reminds me that probably... I'm going to delete these other 2 box bunnies first so I can go to the first box bunny and say... probably... Okay, nah, they probably shouldn't... let's see, yeah. Add a little extra for a little extra time. Hopefully nothing more than that. It's buzzing on my phone. But anywho. Okay. I think now I'll duplicate these bunnies and we'll test them out. And of course, I forgot to tell these things to be anchored so they don't fall off the map. And Possum and Bath B. Okay. Play. They're a bunch of frolicking bunnies. Clearly not causing game to lag. Not at all. It just straightens itself up. Okay. Jeez. I'll let it being scared sometime, but right now they just sort of, oh my gosh. I don't know why that's so cute to me. But anyway, okay. I can do simple 2D platforming. What do you say here? Okay. Okay. Stop there. That, I got that. And now I should go read that teleporting. So I can position vector 3, C-frame, teleportation. Okay. So probably want to use the C-frame of the character. And okay. That's a texture. What I need to do is save this and probably move this and make it smaller, to be honest. It's just meant there to be there so it can reset you or something. Okay. Okay, let's see. Test reset. Okay. I probably don't need any of this then if it's just gonna test. If I can actually test, what it is. Okay. It's somewhere here, isn't it? It's a player, a torso, and a C-frame. Okay. Okay, let's see. Print, script position. Do have an array of players to figure out what touched it, but if I can just use that, I can say other part, parent. Can I do C-frame? Print. See if that comes up with an error or not. Okay. Well, that's interesting. I thought it was. Then we will stop. figure out. Oh, I remember now. Because I can't just grab that. Okay. Okay. So what I need to do... Okay. There was a way, set in a different one, where you could find the player character. Put a character on Touch Roblox. Okay. Because there's supposed to be some sort of code you can, like, tell a parent, and then, like, okay. So the function is going to have okay. Get player from character from the parent. Okay. That's what it is. Get player from character. Okay, so I can now say that other part parent, let's see. This is a very important piece of code here that says other part dot parent, so I can get that goal player thing is going to equal that, and now I can do things to players what I can do to other things. Okay, so go to teleportation here, and I can color torso. Actually, I should make sure that both exist using this code here.
Really?
If player thing torso, then I have a player thing torso. The player thing torso dot C frame is going to equal. Okay, I'm gonna call it I get spawn location. Okay. No, wait a second. Respawn character, that's what I can do. I can automatically respawn a character somehow. Okay. Respawn character Roblox. Load character, I think that was it. Okay. I've gotten to load character. Okay, let's see. I guess not quite. Okay, respawn. Spawn location. Occasionally, spawns when they die. This can be configured to allow only certain players to use spawn using teams. Duration enabled. Okay, let's see. Okay, respawn character. line. Let's say we just load character. Should have a position for that show, shouldn't I? Man, let's just use the vector value. Let's say C frame new. I think we use vector, don't we? Yeah, okay, we use vector. Sorry, it's been a lot of time looking up stuff. Who knows? Maybe I'll use it later. 0, 0.5, 0. So, sends player back to first point. Okay. It doesn't crash instantly. Torso is not a valid member of player. Cool, that's glad I don't have a torso. Um uh I guess that's why the other script is supposed to activate. There's somewhere around here that I'm leaving out. I don't think I have it in here anymore, darn. Okay. Manually with a code. This is load character. Okay. How's the stream looking? Alright, examine. Okay, I'm gonna look for something. Get me to jump to a position, which should work. But, should work, but it's not right now. It's weird and won't let me choose a C-frame for it. I don't know why. Why, SpongeBob? How did I find that one out? Find character, or find player from character. Player from character. Roblox. Player from character. Okay. I have to say character.torso. Let's see if I can do that. Which is right over here. Okay. Thing. Okay. Character. Torso. I think that's gonna work either. It's not gonna work. Oh, it did! It did exactly what I expected. Oh my gosh. I think it's trying to put me inside of something. Okay. So yeah, I'll give it a little extra oomph. And then, yeah, okay, cool. That's working. Awesome, I did a thing. Let's say 1.5. feel like I should probably do it. Yeah. Say 5. Okay, so we walk over here, and now we're up there. Okay, looks like 5's a good number. Okay, so next thing I need to do is have test reset. Gonna copy this thing. I'm gonna copy this whole thing here. And we're gonna go just toss in the spawn area for now. Rename test respawn thing. And then we're gonna go up here. Okay. I have teleporting working. Checkpoint A. Okay, so okay, maybe I can have a global function sometime. Just call that. I want to see if there's such a thing as global function Roblox. Okay. Okay. It's gonna come out with a bar. Okay. Cool. So the function can call a script. Look through a list of checkpoints. Okay, cool. I have ideas for today. So what's gonna happen here is this thing is gonna return to start using pretty much the same script that I did here, except I missed something right now, and that is a thing I have right here. Okay, hey, sorry. What's chat doing? Yeah. I can understand that. They're tired or dull. So I'm in the game, you know? Points per minute. So we have a little points per minute thing. So I'm gonna go. Let's probably have a counter in game that will allow me to know simply how many times you've finished a course or something. But anyway, I'll figure that out later. What I need to do first is copy and paste this over here so I don't have to remember how to add points to things every time. So whoop-a! And points too. So when they touch this thing, they will get warped back to start. So wait 5. Wait like a little bit time gives them points. Should add this, which will be this, but instead I can just do player thing right here. User idea player thing, and get 100. So either you have to play 100 minutes or you get to the end once. So, let's see how this works. Look at this long walk. Oh no, it's so dangerous. This is kind of dull actually. Just this for testing purposes. But well, I'll get there eventually. Okay. Okay. Did that even work? I have no idea. I got returned to start. But I didn't throw an error for not knowing how to, a better idea. Publish to Roblox as this thing. And I'll save that one up. And, oh, I could have shared it with myself. So I'd know how to get there. Let's Roblox. Okay. Okay, let's see. I go to my profile. I should probably start asking people about helping me make stuff, but I mean, it's cool to make stuff yourself, but it'd also be cooler to, do fun stuff yourself. Okay, let's see. Favorite games, collections, friends, currently wearing, creations. Oh, there's a creations button. There's not a lot there, huh? Okay. I don't know if I have to publish that or not. But anywho, see if I can do file, publish to Roblox. And that just did nothing. Nope. Publish as, and do that one first. Maybe it's not public yet. No, it's okay. Share the place with friends, and just pop that in there. I have no idea what gear types is. Yeah, so. Oh. I guess that's what it is. So. Developer page? I think that's a developer page. I could figure this place then. Developer products, history, permissions, access. It's gonna be activate a place for Roblox. That might help. That's a YouTube video. Okay. Okay, let's see. Develop page. It's a develop page. Continue to develop page. Okay. That's add. Oh. I guess let's hop in that. And that took me to Roblox Studio again. Okay. I'm gonna do instead. I'm gonna go here first. Hit OK. Add a freaking jump pad. So I can get there faster. Okay. Okay, we're gonna add a little part. It's gonna be a ramp for no reason other than I'm spiting myself. We're gonna make it ice. We're gonna make it a little wide. We're gonna make it blue. And then we're gonna go this direction. Maybe a lighter color blue. Make it translucent. 0.2. Toss it into spawn area. It's currently in the negative X direction, so I want some. Oh no, it's in the positive Z direction. Yeah, so yeah, I gotta mess that up real quickly. 600, and we'll make this like 200. If I hit the, so make it anchored, and I test it. Wait, really? Oh. That's why. Technically, only pushes you in a direction and not... Well, I died. That's why you don't play with lava. Tarso is not a valid member. Huh. So we don't make you jump at all. So we just make it 0. And then let's figure out if that works or not. To move extremely slowly. I don't feel like that's how that's supposed to work, but whatever. I'll just grab that wedge and just whoop, and then just go like a dece. Oh, I'm gonna see easier if I just anything that did that, and okay, so that's a different wedge. Presume the velocity is not 60,000, which I shall get off and save and anchor it before it falls into the abyss. Okay. 60,000, that shouldn't take... Oh my gosh! That's ice! Well, I guess it takes time to accelerate. Guess it takes time to accelerate. Things I've learned today. Okay. I need to go to checkpoint and add a wall. Just go to model and terrain. No, model. Okay. Add a block and just... Okay. Make a wall. And also anchor that, because it will fall over the instant I hit it. If I don't do that. And then we'll just run this again. See exactly what kind of... Oh! I don't think that worked. Okay. Wedge. Make it like 50. But that's an insane number. Probably not. Okay. Much nicer. Bit of a time taker, but yeah, it'll work. Well, print yay, and go back to Mr. Speed the Wedge. Make that 75. Play that up. Semicolon too close? Okay. So I find the locate, yeah. So should throw a function? Let's find out. But it's not throwing an error, and it's not warping me back, so the only thing I can assume is that something explodes. Something explodes very, very badly. That's fine. Okay, so yeah. If I... That will play 3 times, won't it? Okay. Okay, Why doesn't that seem right? See if I can check awarding points Roblox. That might help me out a bit. Take the chat again. Okay. Alright, let's see. Points tutorial. And just result in an error. Connect a function. Okay, there's a points service, which allows me to do that. Pretty much is just a shorthand for what I have in there right now, right? Is that different if it's lowercase or capital? No, it is not like that in the least. Okay. So awarded. Let's see. Mid-function player. What am I doing wrong? That I did right in the other game. File. Ah, hello. Okay. Going back up again. Figure out what I did wrong. Points per minute. Oh, that's something. I changed that. Service award points to our user. So yeah, doing different. Good service. Should be working okay, and it's not. Actually, if I don't do that, it might warp me off. I'm wondering why it's not throwing an error. So debug should say, hey, once, because you're already gone. Okay. Okay, let's see. So it's me there. If I publish this, publish to Roblox as the gauntlet that I've been saying earlier. Okay. So, I should be able to open up Roblox and develop. Go here. Build mean.
Right there.
Here, I'll turn it. Ah. Okay. Interesting. Oh. It's good to know. Can't just spam everything. So if I do a run of this...
Daughter, sister, friend, lover. One tough,
Maybe it'll work.
dedicated, opinionated.
Okay. And see if this works or not. Okay, good to know things that are things. Stuff that is stuff. Okay. See if that does reward points or not. Okay, it did. And about as many points as I thought it would. Okay. So, that works. Assists. I'll just leave that up for now, and I'll turn on the other one when I'm done. I'll keep working on this for now, though. So we're gonna delete that. Save. Let's see what else I can do. I could do that. So here, I'm going to create a part on path A that will have... Actually, one thing I should note is that this should go a little more like that. Yeah, so be a hole in the middle of it. Do some fun platforming there. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do... I kind of just want to make things move left and right. I don't think that's quite the easiest thing to make. So instead, I'm gonna create a little part right here. Make it like a giant pastel blue, maybe. Drag it up. Drag it like so. Drag it like so. Oh, jeez. No, I don't want to grab that. I want to grab that thing. And then like that. Have it go up only one. Add a nice plastic blend sheen, which I can't seem to find the correct color I was using earlier. Oh well. Let's just make it grayer. Still not the correct color, but who cares? Okay, so gonna make this a little smaller on each side. So that's because of aesthetic reason. Yeah, I want that to be a little smaller. Okay. And could be a bit smaller too, couldn't it? Oh well. I'm gonna make it a bit shorter. And I think I want to add a motor onto it, right? Color this part like a darker shade and anchor it. That's not quite how that works, is it? Really works a bit more like this, doesn't it? where this we'll just have a surface called a motor. So I'll just boop, and then I'll smooth that side out. What glue does? Sounds hilarious. Add a hinge here. I don't think I'll need that much power. And then name this as motor. And then I don't think it's gonna like exclamation points. Motor. Say spinning motor. And interesting, I thought, yeah. Surface inputs, okay, it's one of these. Okay, it's gonna be constant. See what happens if I just do a test. Just to play, I guess. It's gonna do that. Okay. So, should do here is make this like 0.5. I'm actually make this 1. It's 1. And then play it. And stop. And then go here and just say, you know what? 1 is a small number. Make you like 30 and 70. And then run that. Still not powerful enough to get over the power of, say 300 and 700. That'll spin, right? Okay. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Oh. Let's run this one, okay. See? That's a deadly machine of death. Look at this thing. I will be dead. See, now that's how you make a deadly machine of death if you only know how to do 3 things. Yeah. It's true. Oh, hey, I'm here. That's a good point. How is access? I don't know how to word access to people, but I should add you though. Skygrim 2. Skygrim 2. And people. It'd be cool. It'd be awesome if we just had a bunch of people working this on the same time. I'm not sure how they would do that though. It'd be cool though. And I have fun with that. Okay, so made it 1, so we're gonna make this like 0.1 and this like 3. No, that's not 3. That should be like 0.2. So that should allow for an oscillating motor that can't go forward. 0.2, 0.4. How about this one? Why don't I try 0.3 and 0 and hit play again. Now wait, what if I went negative 0.3 and 3? Okay. sort of wiggles its... Okay. 0.6. Oh, I have no idea how this works. Okay. 0.4. Let's have that be 0. Huh. So that causes it to spin out of control. This is negative 0.1. If I try and oscillate it between those 2 points... Quite slow down, does it? Negative 0.5. 0.5. 2. If I put it to negative 0.4, let's try this. I feel like I'm just gonna get stuck in the air again. If I change this part to like, I might just turn off gravity. Or how that works. I'm gonna figure this one out. Oh. Yeah, that's a good point. I have no idea how to add people to Roblox Studio. Gotta be some way I can do this. I want to add a few challenges. I can add more another day. But yeah. Okay. Can I just... Whoa. Ask that thing. Do its thing. Actually... Think about it. I can just go like this, and gonna rename this to be move type, slidey type. Okay. So slidey type gonna have a script, and the script is going to say that it is archived. We're gonna rename this to like something move back and forth. So I'm gonna need remove those because I know those work. But I need path B. Has a box bunny. Open up bunny move. Kind of reminds me, I need to add trees. I'm just making trees right now. Really simple stuff. Okay, we're gonna add some wood. Make it a sort of woody color. And make sure it snaps to the surface. So I can just go whoop. And I'm gonna add that. And then change it to grass, but maybe a lighter shade of green. Yeah, how about that? Just do a little pretty tree type here. Okay. go in all directions again. And then I can doop, doop. And that's a tree. I made a very simple Minecraft tree. I'm gonna name this to be tree A. Toss this into path B. And I'll just duplicate that. And that makes it look like it could be a too tall tree. So I'll just go like that. Which I probably should have done before making all of those. Is go into this tree and say, yeah, you shouldn't probably be able to push the tree over. And probably don't need all that many collisions, so we're just gonna go like that. Just go like that. So it looks like some nice, oh geez, pretty trees. Stagger them about. Maybe make some of these a little shorter. And then toss one there. Maybe one more right here. And do a little something like that. Okay. So there's a little field for the bunny. Anywho, that tree? Maybe a little more that way. Maybe a little more comfortably towards there, so I think it's hogging all the space. Okay. Now that's done, I can get back to making one of 3 obstacles. Oh, hello. Okay, so we got move back and forth here. And now we need to make it move back and forth, but we also need little bunny doing its pretty much I think I'm going to do Z, I think. Pretty much this. So I have a while do, while true do, I'll end and I'll have a wait like about 0.1 seconds. And I'll add nothing quite extra to this. I need oscillating, so okay. Probably be in the X direction. Okay. Gonna call it a move X. Okay. It's not gonna work though, is it? No, it's not. So it worked better for a different type, wouldn't it? That's a thing now. It's hard to think about exactly you need. Oh, we had. Oh, that's a smart idea. Plus equals 1 or equals move X plus 1. And I say we have move X. What you do? I didn't know. Okay, whatever. Let's save then with an end statement over here while it's still system. Okay. Did it collapse it? Oh, okay, collapsed it. Okay. So we're gonna have move X is gonna equal to like 5. Actually, we're gonna have it equal to 0. Have move dir is gonna equal to -1. And I need to add a force onto it, but... Oh, let's see if I can change gravity. Good idea. Let's equal everyone. Change gravity, Roblox. Gravity's the phenomena. Oh. Okay. So, here I will, toss that in there. Okay, there's... That's the wrong one. Because I'm supposed to be working in this one. What happens if I hit play? Well, it, oh, is it still on anchored? It might still be anchored. Still anchored, okay. So... Okay, let's see if I can add that to a loop. Okay. Okay. So that didn't work. What I could do? I have an idea. Which also includes you. You don't need a script. You just need to have something. Okay, let me go back here and add collisions on. So I can go like that. Go like that. So there is even amount on each side. Whoa. Let's reduce that a bit. Change the color in this to a bit of a lighter. Change the material back to plastic. Oh, right. Right, I did this wrong though. What I want to do is go like this. Here, but that will tell me exactly how high I need this thing to be. And I'm gonna go like this. And just go like that. We'll just add a hinge. Hopefully, it'll just work like that. Here's the thing, I need to go to the rotate. And flip that like that. So, slide that into place, which is slightly higher. Okay, this is off by like 0.5 on everything. Okay, 7, 8, and oh, hello. Sorry, how are you doing?
How you doing?
I panic easily. I don't know what that button did.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna go see if I can add some stuff there. And I have 32.5. Whoa. Or this is more like negative 3.25. But okay. Change that color to a different shade. Move it in. See if let's see. How do I keep it going infinitely or for longer? That's because it disappeared. Okay. These two things need to be archivable. Anchored. Okay. Okay. Guess this needs a weld on it, huh? Okay. This force is going to keep pushing it below. Let's see, do I still have that? I wish I could increase. It forces that would constantly. I used to like smack them a bit. A lot harder technique to try and create than I thought it would be. If I added that script anyway. Let's add that script. Oh. Let's see. Add a script. That's what it was. Object script. So just copy this, paste it in that too. Hit play. Why is it still valid number of part? See if I can find that somewhere. Part body force. Okay. Part. It's weird. Doesn't have a force onto it. I get so confused by this so often. Get rid of a bunch of these first. I have something free floating. Can I like change it to have like a material that is like cloud? Neon maybe? No. And I feel like it'd just be easier if I tried a different technique, but I keep it going. I could rotate a hinge to a certain degree without it being affected by gravity. Oh! It's even easier. Add those things again. Okay, let's just lock those into place for no reason. And then just... Okay. Group this together. And just toss it into path A. And rename it to be rotating thing. Okay. Add a script. To affect rotation. So while true do wait 0.1 increment rotation Roblox rotation vector Roblox. Turn on to rotation. My gosh. Angle for part. Actually, we'll just look up a part and see if it has rotation. Okay, that is not. Okay. So vector 3, and let's see what axis I have to rotate it on. Not like that. That one. Z-axis. So I'm gonna rename this rotate infinitely. Okay. Let's see, script parent rotation is going to equal to the rotation plus a z direction. Rotation plus vector 3 new. Just gonna add like 0, 0, 0, and we're gonna assume that's gonna be 1. See what happens. It exploded. A weld in there, right? Do not have a weld in there. Is that a weld? Add a weld, and toss in there. Can't rename multiple things, but I'll just rename it Hingy. Rename you Hingy, and we'll just coop this into a. Right, you need a anchored. Okay, now let's test this out. See how it works. Nothing happened. Which is weird because I thought I added a weld to that. Yeah. Why did that split apart? Maybe because tried deleting those two and test actually let's make that one anchored and play. Oh, you see is currently rotating that. I'll pretend this is a good idea. It's a bad idea. It's a very, very bad idea. Okay, so why aren't these... it's not welding. What does glue do? Try and add some glue. I don't know. Do a run. I guess it just really doesn't like those hinges there. It's gonna go to these two hinges and try and just add some smoothness on them. It's gonna disorient me. Okay. Now I need to go to translate, push them back into position, change this to 0.1, and then make them slightly out of sync so it doesn't look like they're gonna cause everything to explode. Okay. Make it back up to 1, and then test again. Why is that exploding? That's supposed to explode. Why are you exploding? Why aren't you anchored? Why did I do all that when you weren't even anchored? You were supposed to be anchored. And so are these two. Okay. Save that. Try and run it. I don't know how to make these two connect though. Unless if I make this giant thing, you know, I may as well just do that. It'll look more aesthetically pleasing. If I just go like this, it could go all the way down there. Except for one. And just make this like, oh, okay. So, don't even need multiples of those. Giant tofu rotating. It's not like, you know, gonna push me off or anything. It's just gonna go straight through me. See? Didn't even give a care. Which means, yeah. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. If I did something like that, but had a very teeny center where the stuff rotated around. Okay. I think I'm getting something here. And then so they're just going to be motors. One of these is going to be motor, the other is going to be hinge. Because that's easier to do. And keep, so we're going to group that up. Name it to a rotatey thingy. And because it'll be balanced in its weight, it might not blow up on me as often. Okay, I think I'm getting something going on here. Rename this to motor type. Okay, motor tie, the Tasmanian tiger. And rename this to be hinge tie. 'Cause why not? Okay, let's grab motor tie. Okay. Now if we test this out, it should fall over and fly into infinity. Oh jeez. Because everything has the exact same rotate script. Don't think I need that right now. Here, okay. These two should be anchored. But these three probably shouldn't.
I'm gonna dump it out.
Huh. Oh. Okay. See if I can make that slightly faster without causing everything to spiral out of control. 1, 2. 2. 2. 2. You know what? Set that to 2. But let's try something crazy today. Let's anchor this one. And it causes nothing to happen because it is just anchored. Okay. Okay. That is slightly more of an issue now that I've made it a thing. Let's go to model. Add some collisions. Off. What about there? Add a few rotatey thingies. Add some silly parkour for no reason. Okay. I need a... It's hard to move these things and then change their size. Ooh. That would have been so simple as to just ask. Okay. Left, right. How long a thing can you? I think I'll do that. That'll be enough for tonight. Just group this as rename broken bridge. I'll test one last time. Let's make sure it's possible. How did I get all the way up there? Path A. Why you do this? Why you magically go in directions? Nobody asked you to. Okay. See if I can just line it up, save it, give it a test run. Let's go. Should be the end. Oh. The little... Oh man. Oh. Well, I died. Is that picking up speed? This thing's picking up speed. I don't even know it's possible. Oh, okay. Okay. That part was possible. I could add some more traps later. And then... I was gonna add a double jump. Try how to do that. That was close. Looks like it's possible. So I will save this up, let y'all play with it if you like. Then I'll probably go back to the other one later, because... unless you want to work on this one later. So far I have no idea, but... Well, thanks again everyone for watching. I thought I'd try this out and... you know... actually start to work on games again. asking me to save. But yeah. Alright. Have a good night now. Bye bye.